doing, boss?
Just about to close up for the day. Got the work party on tonight.
Where are we going today, Stu? For the
Just
Christmas
off
party?
for a few drinks. Then we're gonna go do some team building.
Bowling?
Bit of bowling, bit of escape room.
Linda, are you coming to the Christmas party?
I'm coming to the Christmas party.
Nice. First ones, first beers.
Oh, you're filming now, are you?
Here he is.
There he is. I'm exhausted, mate. We had a big one last weekend. Get ready for the escape room. Slaney. I missed each other. Oh no. Did you win?
Red card and MVP.
Sent off. Alright, so
This is wait. This is so close. I feel like I've zoomed out. Okay, hang on. All right, Brooke, can I get your MVP and red card of the night? Votes, taking votes.
Tyler's already got the red card of the night because we're going to be late, and that's on him. And then green card, or MVP, it's going to be me. I'm going to crush bowling.
Stu and Lindell, your red card and your MVP picks for tonight.
MPV. Me.
Is that too many beers?
MPV.
MPV. Me.
Stu, this is going online.
It's on the two.
Red card, always Tyler. He'll do something else wrong.
Well, it's red card.
What about you, Slaney?
Red card or... Red card and MVP picks for the night.
Who's your red card of the night?
Tyler, 100%. Yeah. MVP?
Is this going on the line?
On the line.
It's going on the tube.
On the tube.
On the tubie.
Who's your MVP?
What, the winner?
Yeah.
Lindell, I reckon.
Ooh.
Oh, okay, wild card.
Turn around.
Tyler in the front seat. MVP and red card of the night.
No, we're actually going to be late.
Oh, we'll be on time.
Seabell. Red card of the night and MVP.
My red card of the night is Stu.
Yeah.
Because he's getting personal.
Yeah, he
And
is.
specifically,
Yeah,
in my
that
slide
wasn't
deck,
personal.
On the line.
I literally, numero uno rule is to not get personal. Don't make me cry. Stu's halfway there.
Halfway there.
Lucky you're also
Red card.
Lucky I'm HR too, correct.
Yeah.
My MVP of the night.
Surely it's me. Surely.
Tell you about what's happening. Come on,
Alright, so right now, we're all a couple of drinks deep, you know, feeling good,
Bit
whatever.
sips away.
Got a little bit of liquid courage and we're in an escape. We're about to head in.
We're doing an escape room. This is a group of 6 teams on.
Casino themed. We got 40 minutes.
Let's go.
We got 40 minutes to get in and get out.
Like one of those funny hats. I'm the detector. Is that what the hat is?
Is that 21? 27, it's 6. The answer is 6. He's on the 6th floor. This mystery number is also level. He's on the 6th floor. What does that mean? What does that mean? He's on the 6th floor.
We've still got all this other shit to do as well. So he's actually on the 6th floor. That's better.
So this
We
must
unlocked
be
it.
the second one.
Look at that.
Number of her. Figured out the mystery number on the blackjack board.
Yeah, 6.
6. Is it 6? It's 3. Is it 3? Oh, 5. 5. I knew you were wrong.
What's 4 times? What's 7 times 4?
I see why he's silly.
That's 49. 7 times 4.
You said it was 28! You said it was 28!
I'm going to hand you over to someone smarter because here you're like,
You're really dumb.
That was 28.
Yeah, that is 28.
Yeah.
Oh, it is 7. Oh my god, it is 7.
Oh my
It is
god.
7.
that was on Steve-O.
That was you.
But we
mate.
already got it. Okay,
So I
here
was
we
trying
go.
to. We got backwards.
But now...
I'll put the guardrails up for her next time.
up to work at 11 or 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Store's packed.
Mate, I was here at 8 o'clock. I was waiting for everyone. I said,
But
where are you guys?
You left at bloody 6 o'clock at night.
I left at 11. I'm responsible, mate.
Yeah, I'm gonna be responsible. Stop.
What are you doing, Tyler?
I'm just doing the Boxing Day advertisements because we're going to be doing the ads and stuff today, so I'll take you through it actually. So I'm just designing it in Canva. So the spray just the first static ad. This is the first static ads. I'm also going to be putting in a 300 new items that are going to be in store and online, which we're currently washing right now, as you can see there. And I'll show you where. So this is just my basic one, and then my next one. This was Brooke's idea. We had a bit of, if the internet ever works. Anyways, I just want to show you. Oh my god. Bruh. Fuck.
Maybe just tell us all the deals and stuff.
No, because I want to show you guys. Oh, maybe I'll just connect to my phone. We got $10 racks. It's going to be a huge discount on the day. We've also got 300 new items dropping, which I showed you before. So this is going to be the second just like static creative, which Brooke had the idea of like doing like a Boxing Day fight theme. So like if you guys remember like the 90s Boxing Day, they'd have like the two fighters right next to each other. I'll show you where I took the inspiration from. So this is the Holyfield and Tyson fight. So I'm pretty much just trying to replicate that in the next static ad. So it's going to be me and Stu going side by side. So that's going to be the next static ad, but that's the inspiration behind it. And then we're also going to be doing the ads today, which we're going to be talking about, like our video ads. Pretty much the store is going to be open at 10 till 3 p.m. But yeah, last year we had a massive line. I'll see if I can get a photo up for you guys of how big the line actually was. And I put it on the story last night. So it pretty much even went double that. So hopefully we're at the same turnout this year, and hopefully it's good weather as well. But yeah, that's pretty much all the deals that we're gonna do for the day. It's hopefully gonna be our biggest one yet. Super excited. We're gonna film it all because Brooke's gonna be behind the camera. Alrighty, welcome back to another recap of Behind the Counter. This week we're going to be going through all stuff OV Market and the lead up to Boxing Day. Do you want to go through OV Market stuff, Stu?
This week we sent out an email just regarding an update, so hopefully everyone received that. It's mainly just an overview of, it's going to be launching in Feb, but we're going to message everyone just in the new year to start jumping on board once we go live. People can upload and test it out themselves and give us some feedback before the launch date.
So a few things coming up. So we're still doing our 24 days of Christmas for your last minute Christmas shopping all this week. Cutoff is tomorrow for express shipping. So make sure you get in online or come into the store. Brooke, do you want to go through all our Boxing Day stuff?
Yeah, so our Boxing Day, we've got a massive day planned for Boxing Day. It's going to be our biggest % off of the year. We also have $10 racks that will be in store, and we are doing 300 new items in store as well for the day. And the store hours are going to be 10 till 3 for Boxing Day. You heard it here first.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
So this is pretty much the last episode.
Merry Christmas!
So this is pretty much going to be the last episode before Christmas. We just wanted to say a massive Merry Christmas from the OV team and OV Market team. So Merry Christmas. Thanks you guys for tuning in.
Thanks for shopping with us, guys.
Thank you guys for tuning in. And yeah, we'll see you next episode.